have learned it. It became our medium of instruction several decades ago. Up to this time, it is still a medium of instruction. Filipino became another medium only in 1974. Okay, now we have two media of instruction. So, as a medium of instruction for the past so many years, the team now is telling us that we should uphold, we should maintain or support the growth of English among our students so that many of the Filipinos, especially the students, will be able to develop communicative competence. What is the meaning of communicative competence? When we say competence, it may be correlated to fluency. You are a competent speaker when you can express your thoughts and feelings without any código. When you speak without código, you are showing competence in communication. That is what we would like you to do. Develop communicative competence in yourselves. So that you don't have código, you should not have código when you speak. There were presidents in the past who could not talk without código. That means to say, even if they could speak English, they had to be guided by código. But there are presidents who do not have códigos. Everything is in the mind, and the competence in speaking is there, already ingrained in their mind and heart. That is what the upholding of English proficiency is intending to do with our people. You should have communicative competence in two areas, verbally and in writing. When we say communication, it involves verbal and written communication. Whether you are speaking or writing, you must have fluency and competence. So that is the key. We have to maintain English proficiency for communicative competence. And so, we have to be grateful to the Americans for having given their language to us. And wherever Filipinos go today, they can understand what people from other parts of the world are talking about. Because we know how to speak English. Those who do not know yet, you do not have competence yet in communication through English, you have to develop. Because it is an international language. Wherever you will go, you will know how to interact with people. Okay, so that's all.